like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. We got the right stuff. We put the hammer right down. Wanna be like us? You better stick around. If you want it, you gotta prove it. Like we do it, like we do it. We got the right stuff. We put the hammer right down. Wanna be like us? You better stick around. If you want it, you gotta prove it. Like we do it, like we do it. There's no one can do it like we do it. There's no one can do it like we do it. There's no one can do it like we do it. There's no one can do it like we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, like we do it.
Introducing the new Moza Mini S, a flexible smartphone gimbal packed with many features. With the new foldable design, you can sustain a steady and secure stabilized video wherever you are. You can use the shutter button to take instant photos. The Moza Mini S is quick to balance and ready to shoot in any time, anywhere. The reachable switch knob allows you to transition from landscape to portrait mode in less than a second. With just one click, you can also access the signature inception mode. With the Moza Genie app, the tracking has never been so simple. The auto tracking feature in the Moza Genie will take care of your frame no matter where you move. The control keys allow you to zoom in or out on the subject and helps your shot consistently stay in focus. You can also make cool vertigo effects. The advanced modes for your time-lapse and motion-lapse make everything so much easier. The new Moza Mini S allows you to film an excellent, stabilized video just as you imagined it.
The most fascinating thing about traveling is that I never know where the journey will take me and what I will encounter the next moment. When those moments happen, I want to capture them. The Smooth Q2 is my perfect travel companion. It can be put into and out of actions within split seconds. Its ultra-slim profile fits easily into my bag and pocket. While I focus on the contents, it stabilizes the videos for me. I am of the adventurous type. Traveling can be tough at times, but the all-metal Q2 is tougher. When I go harsh, it handles it just fine. The Smooth Q2 is simple and compact, yet it offers me a plethora of features that cultivates my phone into a powerful creative tool. I could fill myself with it. Harness the time with it. Film the world the way I saw it. and even mimic many classic cinematic moves. I love documenting my life, for it witnesses my ups and downs, my thoughts and my emotions, my dreams and regrets, so that one day I will be proud of how far I have walked. Life is never smooth, but my memory can be.
Welcome back to KPXN Los Angeles, all traffic, all the time. For those of you heading on home to that special someone, here's some traffic update for downtown Los Angeles. The time is 7:30 p.m.